Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and this is Michael's equipment from California. And he wants to repair this telephone for his wife, and it's a gift or a present. And that's pretty cool because this is a really neat telephone, and it's in very good condition for its age. And we're going to go ahead and get this telephone repaired. This is the initial checkout, so we're going to kind of show you a little bit about the telephone. Now, one issue is it has an original type line cord, and then we have the hardwired jack that you would associate with being connected to a baseboard, and someone has installed a little modular line port on that, and that is how the telephone is working at this time. Now, it does not ring, so there's a situation going on with the bell, and we need to take a look at that. Now, they've requested that we squelch that bell down a little bit so it's not such a prominent ring. We also want to go through our transmit and our receive. We want to check our handset cord. We also want to go through the hook switch. And we want to go through the rotary. That's a little sluggish, and I want to go ahead and dial a few numbers here. That's going to need to be cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. So we're going to go through everything while the telephone is being repaired. Now, we want to replace the line cord with a black modular style line cord, and we're going to do about 10 feet. And the telephone can be plugged into any modern jack. So that makes for an easy, simple plug and play connection. Now what we want to do is we want to use the analyzer, and we're going to send a ring cycle, and you're going to see a light every time the ring cycle goes by, and we'll start that. Another ring cycle just went by. We'll do it one more time, and we'll go ahead and pick up the handset. It accessed the line. We'll try that one more time. So we know that the telephone at this time is not ringing in. We'll let it go one more time. And we'll go ahead and pick up the handset. So we need to get that looked at, and we're going to go ahead and take a short break because we want to get a start on this unit, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing this really cool 302 rotary desk telephone. We're going to run through a little bit about what's going on. Now, we're working on our bell, and we want to repair that circuit. We also are going into the rotary. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary and make sure our numbers are racking off properly. And it did dial out before it came in, but the dial was sluggish, so it was dialing kind of slow. So we want to go into that and make that repair. Now, we've also removed the line cord that came in with this unit, and we want to install our new 10-foot black modular line that you can simply plug into any modern jack. So we want to get all these issues taken care of. We also took the mount that the bell mounts to, the bracket, and that was loose. Over time, what happens is they have some washers that the rivets go through, and that kind of dries out, and then it tends to move around, and we've repaired that also. And we're going to go ahead and move through these repairs. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool telephone. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this Western Electric rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver, and it is an open amplifier, so it will bring in any noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any humming during the checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. I have an amplifier back by the video, and it has a button on it, and when you press that button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. There was a request that the bell be squelched down, and we went ahead and did squelch the bell down some, but the problem with a mechanical ringer of this type of design is when you start squelching the bell down and you're kind of locking up the ring a little bit, what happens is the bell starts to knock, and so that can be kind of annoying. So you kind of got to get in between the bell sound and the knocking sound, and it's really hard to tell what somebody else would enjoy hearing. So we just kind of set it in a medium way, and hopefully that will do the trick. But it's hard to squelch a mechanical ringer because they just start to knock instead of ringing. What we want to do is we want to use the analyzer, and we want to ring the unit, so we'll start a ring cycle. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time, and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a smooth return on the rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now what we can do, since we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, I can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and I'll make that call.
Good afternoon. Today is Sunday, August 21st. The time is 5:49. Current temperature 79 degrees. Clear skies through Monday, high today near 79, low tonight around 58, Monday's high near 82.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll give you some dial tone, and we'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Michael and he can enjoy this telephone again. I believe that it is a present for his wife, and so that's a pretty cool idea. This is a really cool telephone, and it's in very good condition for its age. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.